This is a super cool latest function by ChatGPT Plus that you do not want to miss out. And I'm just going to show you how you can add hotkey shortcuts for those of the instruction that you always use and make it a shortcut and use it in ChatGPT. To stay tuned to the end. If you have not checked out our free ChatGPT course in order to power up and supercharge your productivity, do check out at junelow.net/ChatGPT. So before I'm showing you guys how to set up the hotkey, I will show you guys how it works. So in usual cases, I always ask ChatGPT to suggest me like top 3 headline for my email, right? So I'm just going to put in top 3 headline for my emails. Asking the audience to join my course, example. All right. So I want ChatGPT to give me a top 3 headlines. And in most usual cases, I'm not happy with these 3 suggestions. And I always want to ask ChatGPT to give me another 5 suggestion or another 10 suggestion. And I just do not want to type that. So what I did and already set up is that I have set up the S3 equal to 3 more suggestion. So now I'm just going to put in S3. And ChatGPT automatically knows that I'm looking for even 3 different others suggestions. And I have also set up for the another shortcut key for S10 means that I want to have 10 suggestions. All right, let's check out. And now ChatGPT is going to give me 10 suggestions rather than I'm going to type in ChatGPT, please give me another 10 suggestions. And it actually saved my time, especially if it is a prompt that I always use. So basically, you can customize your prompt and make it into a hotkey in your ChatGPT so that whenever you use the prompt in the shortcut format or in a hotkey format, you are able to save your time even more. So how to set this up to set it like S3 and S10 to become part of your hotkey in ChatGPT. So you will need to have a plus to do that. So right now I'm in my ChatGPT. As you can see on my left sidebar, just click on your name and click on customize ChatGPTs. So this is customization that I'm doing it. And I want you guys to scroll to the bottom part. How would you like ChatGPT to respond? So you actually can customize up until like 1,500 characters, and I have used up 1 to 5. So basically you can shorten it up. So just now I was saying 5S means I want another 5 suggestions. If I say 10S means another 10 suggestions. So basically you can customize anything that you want. If I say amazing June, please write in a amazing June funny friendly format. All right, so you can even tell more ChatGPT more about yourself. Like, what would you like ChatGPT to know about you to provide better responses? So I want to let ChatGPT know that I'm a video marketing coach, that I help people to create 7 videos in a week. So if let's say you guys want to check out more, we have this signature challenge that we are ongoing. It is called Amazing Video Challenge. So I want to let ChatGPT know we have a signature 7-day amazing video challenge that helps entrepreneurs to create 7 videos in a week. So basically, I want to tell ChatGPT what I'm doing so that ChatGPT will be able to give me the responses actually kind of like tailor-made all of the responses in accordance to what I do. So that is the reason why I tell ChatGPT relevancy about myself, and I always write emails to my subscribers in a fun way, because whenever I ask ChatGPT to craft the emails for me, I want them to craft according to my personality. And that's the reason why I tell ChatGPT I'm a video marketing coach, helping people to helping entrepreneurs to create 7 videos in a week and help them to overcome the fear appearing in front of the camera. All right, so whenever I give the context to the ChatGPT will be able to give me the answers based on this information that I pass to ChatGPT without me having to say that in all different chats, because one of the limitation in ChatGPT when you are starting a new conversation is that you need to give the ChatGPT the context of who you are so that they are able to tailor make the responses to you, right? But when you are using this customization on ChatGPT function, not only you can set up the hotkeys and shortcut keys as I told you guys, but you can also tell ChatGPT things about yourself so that ChatGPT is going to tailor make the responses to you. All right. So when I say hashtag amazing June, please write in an amazing, funny, friendly format where I helped my audience to overcome no where I like to input a funny quote at the end of my email. Just an example. So right now I'm just going to hit save. So it's being enabled for new chats. So I'm just going to try hashtag amazing June. Write email content to ask the audience to join amazing challenge. So I'm using the hashtag amazing June, which is a hotkey that is set up that I just customized in ChatGPT and set up in ChatGPT Plus. Let's see what it actually comes out. So now it is actually writing a fun and motivating email template for my hashtag amazing June challenge invitation. All right, so now it actually have the context about what is amazing challenge, which I trained previously. So by right, it actually should give me a quote at the end, right? So let's check out if they give something that is funny. All right, they say the journey of 1,000 miles begins with the first step. Hashtag amazing June. Let the magic happen. I still feel like this prompt can be further improved because I need to give it much more context. I still feel like there is a lagging of like a funny quote at the end, but it's not too bad. Like they say, a journey of the 1,000 miles begins with the first step. It sounds like something that I would say, right? So these actually give you guys another ideas on how you can use a customized ChatGPT. So maybe I want to ask for 3 more suggestions. So instead of putting like uh, give me 3 more suggestions, I'm just going to put as 3. So by right, ChatGPT is going to give me 3 more email content ideas. Can you guys see that? I really love this. I really love this hotkeys and shortcut keys that is just set up in customizing in the ChatGPT. So if let's say you'll be enjoying this video and find this video really, really helpful, feel free to comment down below and like this video. And because all these likes and comments is going to motivate me to even share even more tips with you guys, and YouTube is going to suggest this video to more other entrepreneurs who are just like us who love to use ChatGPT. So without further ado, if you are really interested in the amazing video challenge, which is our signature program, I'm going to help handhold you and guide you for 7 days. The outcome, you are going to create 7 videos in a week, which is a proven track record by my students who are entrepreneurs all over the world. So if let's say you are interested to check out this signature amazing video challenge, is not happening always, you can go to www.amazingchallenge.us, and I'm going to put out the link down below. And also remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you get more tips and tricks regarding ChatGPT. All right, I will see you guys in the next video then. Take care. Bye.